So, for instance, in COVID, what we saw, which was incredible, was the ozone actually was killing the COVID virus. And at the same time, it was modulating the immune system because one of the most serious consequences of COVID was what was called the cytokine storm. I don't know if you heard about this in the news, but they were
Yeah.
talking about this. This got into the lay press as how the cytokine storm, which is an inflammatory reaction that got kicked off by the virus, and it produced tremendous amount of inflammation, specifically in the lungs. So they called it a respiratory virus because of how it affected the lungs. And most people died, actually, who did die from COVID, they died a respiratory death. And that's why they were intubated, they were in the intensive care units. It was found that ozone actually stops the cytokine storm. And when people were given ozone for COVID infections, they actually got better. And they got better quickly because it had this powerful anti-inflammatory effect with no side effects. At the same time, was killing the virus.
Okay, so you had people with fast recovery, rapid recovery
Very
with
fast
the ozone?
recovery, 1 to 2 days from serious COVID infections. I've treated here in the office many, many times. And my colleagues have too.